She's looking beautiful today, even though she's dirty. That's fine. I'm finna get a wash for the weekend. But welcome back to the channel, gang. I already know I gotta get a quick walk around just because that front end is so sexy now. Sheesh. 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 But yeah, gang, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Six, man. Today, we finna finish up the M Sport conversion on the F30, finally. We're gonna be completely done. We're gonna do the side skirts today, and we'll be ready for the wrap after that. I might change the kidney grills back to black. Right now, I got them the carbon ones, but I got some black ones, some gloss black ones. I might put them on just because this carbon doesn't look so real. It doesn't look too real, honestly. It's still hard though. Y'all let me know. Should I change them? I don't know. I might change them and then see how it looks, and then y'all just let me know what y'all like better. But another thing I was wondering, I want y'all's opinion. Before I do the wrap, should I get the LCI taillights? Should I get the LCI taillights before I do the wrap, or just do it after? Because I've been wondering that, like. And also, should I get the charge pipe before I do the wrap, or should I do that after? I don't know. I'm stuck between. There's a couple more things I want to do. Like, I kind of want to get a charge pipe so I can get some more boost and go stage 1. I kind of want to get the LCI taillights before I do the wrap too. I don't know. Y'all let me know, gang. Y'all let me know in the comments what I should do. Should I just do the side skirts and then do the wrap? Still gonna take me a little minute to get the wrap completely done. I'm doing it myself. Or should I get the LCI taillights and the charge pipe? Or one or the other? I don't know. I want the taillights pretty badly. I'm stuck in between if I should just grab them or not. But let me go ahead and grab these side skirts real quick. Grab the side skirts. UPS, man. Please don't hit me, UPS, man. All right, bet. So here's the side skirts. Now let me make sure, I wanna make sure I know what I'm working with. I think there's just a bunch of T30s. Yep, So it's a bunch of T30s, I believe, under here. I wanna say there's like 10 of them all the way down. And then once I get those out, I should be able to just pop the side skirt out all the way down. So I'll go ahead and get that started. I gotta run to work, so I don't want to be running late. Let me open this up and see, make sure I got the right shit though. All right, so here's the M Sport side skirt. It's non-painted, of course. Should be a direct plug and play fitment to the same one, to the OEM one, the base one. You can see I got the holes underneath here, so it should be quick and should be a pretty easy install. Hopefully it's a good fitment. Of course, I'm gonna rock it unpainted because, as y'all know, I'm wrapping the car eventually. And I like it being unpainted because it lets people know when they see me that, oh yeah, that's a project car. Oh, he's in a project car. He got all them unpainted bumpers, some stickers, all the carbon. Yeah, that's definitely a project. He's not done with that. He's still working on that. That's a project car. That's what I like about it. It lets people know, oh yeah, that's a project. He's building that. He's not done with that. He's building that into something crazy. But yeah, again, let's get these screws out and go ahead and get the side skirt off. Let's get. Got all the screws out, dang. It was only, I only had 10. I think I was missing ones. I'm not sure if it's 11 or 10, but I only had 10. It looked like I was missing one in one spot. But let me go ahead and start trying to pull off the side skirt. I'm pretty sure it just pops out. There it is. Oh! Side skirt, stock, base, out of here. for a side skirt is on. I'm about to install these screws and head over to the other side. Let's get it. I like to hand screw them in first and just finish it off with the T30. There you have it. M Sport side skirts are installed and screwed in. I'm about to pull into the sun so y'all can see it a little bit better. Hold on, Rick. M Sport side skirts are installed. I'm about to go ahead and do the other side. I'm not gonna record it though. But that's the M Sport side skirts. I might have to do the kidney girls later when I get off or something. I'm not gonna have time, but I'm about to try to knock out the other side skirt. But yeah, gang, let me know what y'all think about these. The M Sport kit is installed fully. Rear, side skirts, and front. Yes, Sirski, let's get it. Passenger side skirt is installed. I ain't gonna lie, it looks pretty beautiful. It's definitely gonna be a huge difference once I wrap it. You'll be able to see once I get the gloss on there, or the satin or the matte, whichever color I've chosen, which I'm not gonna disclose. But once I get that on there, it's gonna really pop. You'll see that curvature right there, that M Sport style. You'll really be able to see. You can't see it too well right now just because it's just matte black and it's not painted. But I had a small fitment issue with these eBay side skirts. The clips that clip up here into the panel, they weren't really trying to clip in for me. They still really haven't clipped in, but everything else is clipped in and secured. The screws underneath are all secured, so we don't have an issue. We're not gonna have an issue with it coming off or anything like that. I had the same issue on this side with the clips up here, but other than that, I mean, everything fits perfectly well. I mean, it's a pretty good fitment. I'll drop the link to these in the description. They're only like $100. So I mean, it's really pretty much a good deal. Side skirts are on, gang. We're ready for the wrap. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all think I should get the LCI tail lights, because I really want them. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I think they look super hard. I'll try to drop a pic of them in here, and so y'all can see which ones I'm talking about. But that, or if I should grab the charge pipe and get some more boost, gang. Y'all let me know what I should do with. Should I do that before the wrap? I don't know. I also wanted to change my grills today, but I didn't have time. So I just said, forget it, I'll just do it later. I also wanted to fix my hood gap. I know how to fix it, I just haven't really got the time to fix it. The F30 is looking beautiful. The side skirts are on, we got the full M Sport conversion. Appreciate everybody that's tapped into the channel game. Dang, the F30 looks so good. Amazon, got a package for me? Who knows? I ordered so much shit from them, oh my God. But anyways, you already know how we rocking, gang. I appreciate y'all for tapping into the video, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, gang. Let's get it.